What's going on, everybody? Matt Van Vleet from Sur-Seal. Excited to be here with you today to talk about our newest acquisition, Kent Manufacturing. Kent brings culture, capabilities, and certifications to the Sur-Seal enterprise. Really has a strong dedication and feel to the customer base they serve. Brings us IATF certification for automotive, brings us 13485 certification for medical device, and from a capability standpoint has spooling, has servo-driven multi-station rotary with laser, and really enhances our ability to serve a broader geography across the mid to eastern portion of the United States. So tremendously excited to have Kent Manufacturing on board as part of the Sur-Seal family, and look forward to serving you in an even greater way as we move forward. Thank you.